Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can adjust the hue and saturation for video clips you edit on Adobe Firefly. So let us guide you through this. Navigate to your library on Adobe Firefly. Next, click into Generation History, choose Videos from the drop-down menu, and click into these three dots in the top right corner of the given video clip to access it through the video editor here. Inside the video editor, guys, there are three ways how you could adjust the hue and saturation. Option number one, you left-click onto the given scene on your timeline. Navigate to the Properties tab in the top right corner or use the shortcut Alt-6. And here click into Blend. From the drop-down menu, choose either hue or saturation. Option number two, let me just remove that blend by selecting normal. Option number two, you navigate to the color adjustments to the right. And here you may adjust the video exposure, contrast, and also the saturation at the bottom using that slider. And you will see the effect here. If I move that slider to the right, to the left, I move it to -100%, it will be converted into a black and white video clip, technically. And option number three would be to navigate to the Looks tab here on the left-hand side, or use the shortcut Alt-5, and from that menu, apply one of these color filters that, they have, as you can see, also different saturation settings here, like, I don't know, high contrast, vibrant. So which one you go with, guys, is totally up to you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.